Let's explore how to use masters to streamline your creation flow. Masters are sections of a site that can be designed once and reused on any site page. You can identify masters by these green highlights. By default, the header and footer of each site are saved as masters, even when you start from a blank canvas. So, however you design this default header and footer, they'll automatically repeat on every new page. Here in the Masters panel, you'll find all your site masters. This header is connected to all the other headers on your site, so changes you make to it are reflected everywhere it's in use. If you want to make unique changes to a header on one page without affecting it in other places, right-click and select Detached from Masters. Now this header is disconnected from the others, so changes we make here won't affect the original master. For example, if we delete the text on this page, you'll see it's still there on the About page. By default, you'll have one header and one footer saved for each site, but you can create more than one of each, since you might not want to use the same one on each page or even breakpoint. Let's look closer at how this works. Okay, so on this page, on desktop, we want to focus on this bold typography headline. And to do this, we'll create a vertical sidebar to replace our horizontal header. Now we'll add our logo by copy-pasting it, and then add in a vertical menu from the Add panel. And we'll adjust the positioning to get it in place. We don't need the horizontal header, so we'll select it, right-click, and choose Don't Display, which hides it. Note, we're not deleting it, since we may want to use it on another page or breakpoint. Next, we'll set our sidebar as a master, and we need to make sure to tag it as a new header. This is an important step for site accessibility. In our Masters panel, you'll see we now have two headers saved, which can be reused on any page or breakpoint. Let's set the vertical header as the default one. So this is the one that gets automatically duplicated on every new page. On smaller screens, we have a little less space to work with. So on tablet, we'll use our horizontal header design. From the Layers panel, we'll choose to display it again, and then we'll hide the vertical header. You can save any section as a master. Let's move to the Alpha page and select the All Projects section. We want this section to appear on more than one page, so right-click and choose Set as Master, then Section, since it's not a header or footer. From the Masters panel, select the three dots next to your new master to choose which pages you want to display it on. We'll select all the pages apart from the Contact page. Now, as it's a master, this section is highlighted in green, and we can move it up or down on each page depending on the position we want. It's important to remember that masters have their own set of breakpoints. Page breakpoints are marked in blue, but when you're working on a master, the breakpoint icon is marked green. This lets you know that changes you make to your page breakpoints will not affect your masters, and vice versa. So don't forget that if you make a new breakpoint for your page, you won't see it while you're working on a master. Editor X is an advanced creation platform. To get skilled up, continue watching this series of video tutorials.